Natalia Bonner, welcome back. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you how to machine quilt some fun little kind of pine tree inspired trees in this adorable 2-inch strip. All right, so I have a new series coming soon where I'm going to be showing you 99 different ways to free motion and ruler quilt 2-inch strips. I'm super excited about it. You can find all the details about this new series over on our website, but you definitely won't want to miss it. Anyways, after I quilted all 99 of those awesome designs, I'm quilting on this panel here, I had a few extra strips. So I thought, you know what, let's just keep being creative and having fun. And so here I am sharing these bonus designs with you. So I'm doing all my quilting here. This is going to be hand-guided free motion quilting. I'm using my Gamble 22-inch machine, and I am going to be stitching in the stitch regulated mode with my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. So hop down here with me and let's quilt out a few trees. Okay, so you can see that I have already quilted out a few of those trees. The kind of important thing here to me, I think, is to alternate the size of them, a tall one, a short one, a tall one, short one. I think by doing that, it creates a little bit more interest. And then if they're like not perfect next to each other, overall, it just ends up looking really cute. All right, so I've stitched out these. At this point, I'm going to travel across my ditch, moving over about 1 inch. My last one was a shorter tree, so now I'm going to stitch a longer trunk, which is just a straight line going up probably about 1 inch. And I'm eyeballing these, just kind of what feels good in the moment. So there's that trunk. Once I've stitched that, now I'm going to start stitching those branches, which are just gonna be a fun, simple curve line. And each time I stitch one, I'm coming into about the same point of that line. So out to the left, working all the way up to the top, and then I'll come down the right side, and then back down that trunk. All right, so there's a tall one. I'll travel over about another inch. Let's make a small one. I'm going to say that this trunk is probably like ½ an inch long. And then I'll add in a few branches on the left and a few on the right. Back down and repeat. And I'll continue repeating that until I fill in this strip completely. I hope you found a little bit of inspiration from that fun design. I am going to continue quilting it all the way across my 2-inch strip, and then I'll be back next week with another machine quilting video. But in the meantime, make sure you run over to our website and find all the details about my new series where I'm going to be showing you 99 different ways to machine quilt 2-inch strips. We've created an awesome companion design workbook, so you can check out all those details over on our website. But before you head over there, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will be back soon with another machine quilting video.